Welcome to today's lecture. So in our last lecture, we had started with hydrostatic forces on surface. We had defined what is total pressure force and center of pressure. Okay, so total pressure force is nothing but the force exerted by the static fluid on the given surface when the surface is immersed inside the liquid. Okay, and the point of application of this total pressure force it is called as center of pressure. Okay, we had seen two derivation in our last lecture. So the total pressure force is given by F equals to rho g ah, where rho is the mass density of the liquid, g is the acceleration due to gravity, is the area of the surface immersed, and h bar is nothing but the uh, location of center of gravity from liquid surface. Okay. After that, we had also seen the depth of center of pressure. Okay, and the depth of center of pressure is given by h bar equals to Ig sine square theta upon ah bar plus h bar. Okay, so here this Ig represents the second moment of area, also known as moment of inertia. Theta is the angle made by the given plane with the liquid surface. Okay, A is the area of the surface and h bar is location of center of gravity from liquid surface. Okay, again we had seen one special case, that means when the plane immersed is vertical, that means theta equals to 90 degree. So here sine 90 is 1. So the formula is modified as h star equals to Ig upon h bar plus h bar. Okay, so yeah, we had also noted in the last lecture the formulas for center of gravity and area for standard cases, that is rectangular, triangle, circle, and trapezium. Okay, so for rectangle, the CG is located at a distance of d by 2, where d is the height. Okay, area is breadth into height. Okay, and remember the moment of inertia is about any axis or about g axis. It is the product of parallel side into cube of perpendicular side divided by 12. Okay, so it is BD cube by 12. Now for any triangle, the CG is located at a distance of h by 3 from base or 2h by 3 from apex. Okay, its area is 1 by 2 b into h, and the location of CG is bh cube divided by 36. Okay, after that for circle, the CG is at a distance of d by 2, where d is the diameter, area is pi by 4 d square, and moment of inertia is pi d to the power 4 upon 64. Okay, similarly for trapezium we had seen the location of CG is x equals to 2a plus b upon a plus b into h by 3, where a and b are parallel side and h is the height of trapezium. Okay, area is a plus b by 2 into h. Okay, while the location of or the value of moment of inertia is a square plus 4ab plus b square upon 36 a plus b whole bracket into h cube. Okay, so from today we will start with the problems. So write down first problem. A rectangular plane surface 2 meter wide lies in water, in such a way that its plane makes an angle of 30 degree with the free surface of water. Determine the total pressure, and the position of center of pressure when the upper edge is 1.5 meter below the free water surface. So what is given in this problem, that there is a rectangular plane. Okay, you can see in this figure. Okay, there is a rectangular plane as shown in the figure whose width is 2 meter. So it is 2 meter wide and depth is 3 meter. Okay, and it lies in water in such a way that the plane makes an angle of 30 degree with the free liquid surface. Okay, that means this is your liquid surface, this is your plane. So if we extend this line, it will intersect at point O, making an angle of theta equals to 30 degree. Okay, and in cross section, it is a rectangular surface of width 2 meter, sorry, depth 3 meter, and it is 2 meter wide. Okay, then determine the total pressure P or F and position of center of pressure H star when the upper edge, okay, this upper edge is at a depth of 1.5 meter from the free liquid surface. Okay, so all this information is given to us. Okay, now depth is d equals to 3 meter, angle theta is 30 degree, and the distance of upper edge, top edge is 1.5 meter. Okay, now if this width is 3 meter, so we know the position of center of gravity, it will be at a distance of d by 2. So it will be 1.5 meter from this end C. Okay, so basically our task is to find out this location of G from liquid surface. Okay, so for that you can consider this triangle. You can consider this triangle. Okay, so suppose this point is G. Okay, center of gravity. This is other end, and suppose this end is as shown in the figure E. Okay, we will extend one horizontal line. Okay, now suppose this C to, we can say D. C to D, it is a plane surface. From C we will extend one horizontal line, and from G we will extend one vertical line, and this angle is theta, and this total width is 3 meter. Okay, so the distance of G to C is 1.5 meter. So in this triangle, sine theta, okay, this distance is unknown, so we can say this distance as x. Okay, so sine theta is opposite x upon hypotenuse is 1.5. Okay, so x is equal to 1.5 sine theta. Okay, theta is 30 degree, so it is 1.5 sine of 30 degree. So this is the value of x. Now we already know the liquid surface, the top HC at a distance is at a distance of 1.5 meter. Okay, आपको problem में दिया है, the upper edge is 1.5 meter below the free liquid surface, and the x is 1.5 sine 30. So this edge bar, okay, this edge bar, which is nothing but the location of center of gravity from the free liquid surface. So this edge bar is 1.5, this distance, okay, plus 1.5 sine of 30. Okay, so is this understood? Basically our first task is to calculate the value of h bar. Okay, so we'll if this is understood, we can proceed further. So we know the total pressure force is given by F equals to rho G A H. Okay, here rho is mass density of water, which is 1000, G is 9.81, A is area of this rectangular surface, so that is 2 into 3 into h bar. Okay, so our first task is to calculate the value of h bar. Okay, so rho is 1000, A is 2 into 3, so 6 meters square, and h bar. Okay, so how we had calculated h bar, we had just seen. Okay, this h bar is this distance 1.5 plus this distance E to B. So this E to B, okay, this is nothing but BC sine 30 degree. Okay, so it is 1.5 sine 30 degree. Okay, so it comes out to be 2.25. So you can put the value, all the value. So it is 1000 into 9.81 into area is 6 into value of h bar, that is 2.25. Okay, so on solving this, you will get the answer 132, 132, 435. Okay, so the answer is 1,32,435 Newton or 132.435 kilonewton. Okay, so this is the value of force. Okay, that means at a depth of 1.5 meter, this much huge amount of force is acting on that surface, 132 kilonewton. Okay, after that, what is asked in the problem, the next thing that is asked is the location of center of pressure H star. Okay, that means the distance of this point center of pressure P from liquid surface. Okay, we are supposed to calculate this. So we know this depth of center of pressure is given by the formula H star equals to Ig. A very good, Sushil. Okay, so H star is given by H star equals to Ig sine square theta upon AH bar plus H bar. Okay, so here sine theta is known to us. Sine theta is 30 degrees, so it is sine square 30. Okay, A is 6 meters square. H bar we had calculated 2.25. So next thing which we are supposed to calculate is the value of Ig. Okay, so remember this Ig, it is nothing but it is BD cube upon 12, where B is the parallel side. Okay, so you can see this is your point G. Okay, so if you take the perpendicular to the paper, okay, paper को perpendicular लिया, so basically आपका axis is direction बनेगा. Okay, this is the location of axis. So parallel side to location of axis is 2 meter and perpendicular side is 3 meter. Okay, so this Ig, so that equals to 2 into 3 cube. Okay, parallel into perpendicular cube divided by 12. So it is 2 into 3 cube divided by 12. Okay, so you can solve this on calci. So it comes out to be 4.5 meter to the power 4. Remember the unit. Okay, unit of moment of inertia is meter to the power 4. Okay, so it is 4.5 meter to the power 4. So you can put all these values. Okay, so H star equals to 4.5 into sine square 30 divided by value of A is 6 into H bar is 2.25 plus 2.25. Answer comes out to be 2.333 meter. Okay, now we will see our next problem. So our next problem is a circular plate 3 meter diameter. A circular plate 3 meter diameter is immersed in water in such a way that its greatest and least depth below the free liquid surface are 4 meter and 1.5 meter respectively. Determine the total pressure on one face of the plate and position of center of pressure. Okay, so what is given in this problem? Okay, first of all, we will read the problem and understand the problem. Okay, so there is a circular plate. You can see here. Okay, or I am redrawing here. This is a circular plate. If you see the cross section in auxiliary view, so it is a circular plate like this. Okay, so for this circular plate, the CG lies at the center. Okay, so this is point G, and center of pressure P, it will be lying somewhere here. Okay, so you can say this is point P. Are immersed in water. Okay, they are immersed in water in such a way that the greatest depth. Okay, so greatest depth is this. Okay, so this greatest depth is 4 meter and least depth. Okay, so this least depth, it is 1.5 meter. 1.5 meter respectively. Determine the total pressure on one face of the plate. Okay, that means we are supposed to find out whatever the force F acting at point P. Okay, and position of center of pressure, that means this H star. H star we are supposed to calculate. Okay, here if you extend this plate will make some angle theta, but in this given problem theta is not given. Okay, so this is a different type of problem, special type of problem in which theta is not given. Okay, okay, so we can do one thing for solving this problem. We know this total depth of point B. Okay, we will call this C and B. So total depth of point B is 4 meter. We will draw one horizontal line from point B. Okay, so it will going to intersect at point A. Okay, so C points on the horizontal line draw key. It will going to intersect this vertical line at point A. So So what is the location of A? Location of A is also 1.5 meter. Okay, ये दोनों horizontal line है और point C 1.5 meter below है. So point AB 1.5 meter below the free liquid surface. Okay, and this total depth is 4 meters. So the distance of BA, okay, it will be 4 minus 1.5. That equals to 2.5. Okay, so this distance, this will be 2.5 meter. Okay, so now we will consider this triangle. We will consider this triangle. This is C, this is B, and this is A. Okay, so this distance is 2.5 meter. Okay, and this BC is diameter. So diameter is given to us. What is the diameter? 3 meter. Okay, so diameter is given to us as 3 meter. Okay, so in this triangle, ABC sine theta. Okay, sine theta, we can find out the value of sine theta. So sine theta is opposite AB upon hypotenuse BC. Okay, so sine theta का value कितना आएगा? 2.5 upon 3. Okay, no need to find the value of theta. Okay, हम sin theta का value as it is रखेंगे because हमें आगे sin theta ही लगने वाला है. Okay, now this is point G. Okay, G कहाँ पे रहेगा? D/2 पे. Okay, so if you see this triangle, okay, if you see this triangle, this is C, this is G. Again यहाँ से horizontal line plot की, G point से vertical line plot की. Okay, so we our task, इसको आप बोल दोगे कोई next point G H बोल दो, capital H. Okay, so and this angle is again same theta. So again if we calculate sin theta, okay, so sin theta is equal to GC. Okay, sorry, it is opposite. Opposite is HG. HG upon CG. Okay, HG upon CG. Now we know the value of sin theta is 2.5 upon 3. So 2.5 divided by 3, that equals to HG. HG is unknown. Okay, and CG कितना रहेगा? This whole meter, whole length is 3 meter, so it will be 1.5 meter. So into 1.5 meter. Okay, so from here you can find out the value of this length HG. Okay, so this HG is 2.5 divided by 3 into 1.5. Okay, so find out the value of HG. We are taking the plane as inclined while it is not given, it is inclined. Okay, see, obviously, yeah, very good question by Sushil. अभी सुशील का क्वेश्चन है कि हम उसको इंक्लाइन प्लेन क्यों ले रहे हैं. सी, कभी हॉरिजॉन्टल प्लेन रहता था तो उसका उसका जो वन एंड है वो 1.5 मीटर पे रहता था, तो उसका दूसरा एंड भी 1.5 मीटर पे रहता था. ओके, बोथ द एंड्स आर एट 1.5, बट हमें प्रॉब्लम में क्या बोला है कि इट इज इमर्स्ड इन सच अ वे दैट उसका जो सबसे ग्रेटेस्ट डेप्थ है वो 1.4 मीटर है. ओके, और जो लीस्ट डेप्थ है वो 1.5 मीटर है. ओके, सो आप कोई भी सरफेस लोगे डेटम से या फ्री लिक्विड सरफेस से, और उन दोनों का डिस्टेंस अलग अलग है, तो बेसिकली दे आर इंक्लाइन. ओके, कभी आपको ऐसा बोला होता है कि बोथ द सरफेस आर एट ए डिस्टेंस ऑफ 1.5 मीटर फ्रॉम फ्री लिक्विड सरफेस, तो उस केस में वो हॉरिजॉन्टल रहते थे. ओके, बट ये केस में हमें बोला है कि one end is at a distance of 1.5 meter and other end is at a distance of 4 meter. Okay, so that is possible if and only if the plane is a inclined plane. Okay. Okay, so yes everyone, find out the value of HG. Okay, ये समझ में आया HG कैसे निकाला है हमने? 1.5 2.5 into 1.5 divided by 3. This distance, this is H, this point is H, H to G. So everyone, find out this value, Hg. Okay, so I am rubbing the screen. Yes, find out the value of Hg. Okay, so this Hg was 2.5 upon 3 into 1.5. Solve this on Cal C and write the answer in chat box. Okay, so once H is known to us, we can find out H bar. So H bar is, this distance is 1.5. It is 1.5 plus Hg. Okay, so you will get the value of H bar. Very good Vaibhav, very good Saurabh, very good Pawan. Okay, so Hg पता होने के बाद आप H bar निकाल सकते हो. So H bar will comes out to be 1.5 plus 1.25. Okay, very good Sushil. So it is 2.7498, so approximately equals to 2.75. Very good Pawan. Okay, so I think everyone understand how we had calculate H bar. Okay, आपको हर प्रॉब्लम में H bar जो है वो ज्योमेट्री के ऊपर से निकालना है to solve the problem. Okay, so we can proceed with the problem. So in the given problem, diameter was given to us as 3 meter. So area was pi by 4 d square. So pi by 4 3 square. So it comes out to be 7.068 meter square. Okay. Then BC was given to us as 4 meter. We had seen. So distance of CG H bar, that was CD plus GC sin theta. Okay. अभी sin theta के लिए हमने already calculation देखा है. So as per the given figure, this sin theta is AB upon BC. Okay, हमने देखा था अभी. Okay, so it is 2.5 divided by 3, and that also equals to BC minus AE, BE minus AE. Okay, so this is BE minus AE. Okay, ये हमने minus किया था 4 minus 1.5, so 2.5 आया था. Okay, so it comes out to be 0.833. Then H bar is 1.5 plus 1.5 into sin theta का value हमने put किया था. So it is 2.749. Total pressure force F equals to rho G A H bar. Okay. See यहाँ पे calculation 2.749 और हमारा answer 2.75 आ रहा है. So they are approximately same. Okay. So you can take the value 2.75. So our F equals to rho G A H. So put the values. Rho is 1000, G is 9.81, A is pi by 4 d square, so it is 7.068 into H bar. So H bar is 2.75. So it comes out to be 190621. Or then next is depth of center of pressure. So for we know the formula. The depth of center of pressure is given by H star. So H star equals to Ig sin square theta upon AH bar plus H bar. Okay. So remember here sin theta का value हमने already निकाल के रखा है. It is 2.5 divided by 3. Okay. So you can use that value. Then Ig. Okay, so Ig is nothing but the moment of inertia about center of gravity G. Okay, so we know the formula for circular cross section area. It is pi by 4 d square. Okay, so everyone calculate the value of Ig. So it is pi by 4 into d to the power 4. Okay, after that area is pi by 4 d square. Already we had calculated 7.068 and H bar is 2.75. Okay, so it comes out to be 3.976. Okay, very good, Vaibhav. Meter to the power 4. After that, you can calculate the value of H star. So put all the values. So Ig is 3.976 into sin square theta. Okay, sin square theta ये division दे सकते हो 2.5 divided by 3. So it comes out to be 0.8333. Okay, so it is 0.833 whole bracket square divided by value of A. A is 7.0685 into 2.75 plus 2.75. Okay, so it comes out to be 2.891 meters. Now, so I think this type of problems are simple problems. Okay. Now in your syllabus, there is also one more type of problem, that is problem on dam gates. Okay. That means आपके जो dam होते हैं, okay. So these are your dam. So before the dam, basically there is water. और dam का जो gate होता है, that gate is at a very high depth. Okay. So basically जब हम dam को डिजाइन करते हैं, so यहाँ पे जो हाइड्रोलिक फोर्स एक्ट होता है गेट के ऊपर, ओके, गेट के ऊपर जो हाइड्रोलिक फोर्स एक्ट होता है, दैट इज ट्रेमेंडस अमाउंट ऑफ फोर्स. ओके. एंड इन ऑर्डर टू कीप द गेट इन क्लोज पोजिशन, ओके, आपको हाइड्रोलिक मैकेनिज्म से या फिर कोई मैकेनिज्म से वहां पे इतना इक्वल एंड ऑपोजिट फोर्स अप्लाई करना होता है, सो दैट द गेट विल रिमेन क्लोज. ओके. So this type of problem we are going to see in next lecture.